Hi there, I'm Andre Levesque, product specialist from Whitmore Mining Lubricants in Canada. Today we're at a quarry where we're about to pour backing compound into a Cedar Rapids cone crusher. We will be using two of our Deacon products. One product is called crus-bac and the other product is Mole-Pack. Now, these two products are widely used in the crushing business by mining, aggregate companies, cement plants, quarries, etc. As you can see beside me, this is Deacon crus-bac, which is a two-part epoxy blend that comes in a 22-pound package. Additionally, we'll be using Mole-Pack, which I already took out of the pail so that I could bring it in and show it to you. Now, Mole-Pack, as you can see, is a pliable damming, molding, and positioning putty. This product is very flexible, like plasticine, even Play-Doh if you will. No harsh odor, no problem. Easy to use, easy to work with. But today we're going to be using Mole-Pack in a couple of applications. First application you're going to see we'll be using it as in a damming application as we do our first pour. Now, because we're not in a shop, in a controlled environment, we are actually doing the job outside in the field, at the quarry, up on the crusher deck. So there's wind considerations, etc. That's why we thought we would use the Mole-Pack. Now, since our customer has already finished all the prep work, we are about ready to do the pour. So we will first pour the crusher mantle. And because the crusher mantle has about a 3-inch diameter opening on it, we are going to create, using Mole-Pack, a 3-inch high, maybe 3.5-inch high little dam that will act as a funnel, if you will, and so that we can pour the crus-bac without the wind blowing it around, and it'll just reduce our spillage. Additionally, in the second part of the pour, we're going to apply, once again, Mole-Pack, and we will use it to seal up any gaps or crevices, that any possible leaks where we could lose our backing, where it would escape. So you need to know that crus-bac is used to fill cavities behind the liners on cone crushers and gyratory crushers. As you know, liners wear out. And how abrasive your material has a direct impact on the life of your liner and the frequency of your liner changeout. So we try to make it easier for you. This product, crus-bac, is a very easy, friendly product to work with. Crus-bac delivers a whopping 601 cubic inches of compound in this 22-pound pail, whereas the same pail with competitor products is in the 340 cubic inch range. So that means we are offering you, or we are bringing to the table, 77% more product for the same size package as a competitor package. So we are also thinking about you health and safety wise when we made the formulation for crus-bac. Crus-bac requires no hazardous packaging, which is great. There are no harsh chemical odors when you're mixing, and additionally, during preparation, the product will not start to smoke in the pot like some brands do, and they're really hot to the touch. So crus-bac with zero shrinkage and with a 5 or 6 hour cure time, you will be back in production in no time at all. By the way, crus-bac has a 35-minute pot life for you guys who are actually going to mix and pour. So even after deducting a 3-minute or even a 4-minute mix time, you're still left with over 30 minutes of pot life. This is really important because you know what? Bad things happen. And unexpectedly, something interrupts your pour, and so you start feeling the pressure right away because you already know that you got a short pot life in the product that you're using. And so now the task and the challenge is fix the breach, fix the problem that interrupted your pour, and continue the pour. If you go over the line, you're stuck. You have to throw the bucket away and start fresh. Not so with a 35-minute pot life. There's no stress, there's no panic, and there's no pressure. So now let's get out in the field and let's get this pour done. And I'll shoot a couple of feet of video so that you can see how it's actually done. And listen, even though we have an awesome product, we at Whitmore and Deacon, we absolutely encourage everybody to always wear their personal protective equipment at all times. So, work safe. We'll see you outside.